got bananas? Jeez, where are your bananas? Banana.
Bread.
Yeah. Can you say Brianna?
Banana.
Can you say M?
Can you say cheese? Can you say cheese? Say cheese.
Can you say Aaron?
Cheese. Say cheese.
Oh,
Cheese.
I heard.
Can I save it? Just save it.
Can you say Aaron? Can you say Grandma?
I can't save it. It won't save it.
Can you say Grandpa?
It won't save it, Mommy.
Can you say Tractor?
Tractor won't save
Claire?
it.
Meatball?
Meatball. Meatball.
Doesn't save them. Can you say Sam? Sam? How about Emily? Emily? You're gonna fall off the chair.
Let me see how it works.
Say bye.
Bye.
Toodaloo.
Hello.
See you.
Ball.
You fall.